guys, welcome back to Visionaries Auto. It's your girl Salom here and I'm with
Timmy. Hello, how you doing?
Yeah, so guys, we've got a car that we have modified. Dude, you are not around.
Okay.
And then the car is really super cool. I think we outdid ourselves. So can you guess the car?
Maybe BM?
No, why would you start with a BMW? I mean, like, why?
I don't know, I mean it's everywhere, so.
You mean BMW is cheap?
Not
Is that what cheap?
like,
guys, he's trying to tell you like a BMW is everywhere. I mean, like, how many people have BMWs
maybe
out there?
Mercedes-Benz.
It's expensive as well, it's not everywhere.
How about a Mercedes?
A Mercedes, is it everywhere, guys? Like, is it everywhere you go, you can see a Mercedes-Benz?
So what's the car? Which car?
Be my wallet.
I said BMW.
Okay, so the car is a BMW. Can you guess the color at least?
Gray?
Gray. Nah, that's
Black?
ugly. Yeah, definitely. It's a black car as well. And then can you guess if it's a sedan, SUV, convertible?
I'm gonna go with SUV.
Why would you guess an SUV? Why?
I mean, SUV. Everybody
Okay.
likes a sport car.
Can you guess like which X? I'll give you X what?
Okay. X43.
X43. Which one is X43, guys? Have you ever heard of an
X4 or
X43?
maybe 3, which one?
Nah, that's an X6. So we have actually upgraded an X6. So I'm going to take you guys along with him so that you can see the modifications that we have done. So come on, let's go.
Alright.
Okay, guys. So we have come to the X6, and this is how the X6 look like. What you think?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna take it up from here. So let's go.
Dude, chill out. You can do this. Let the photographer come and hold the camera so that we can introduce for all of you guys.
Every day I want your touch, and every way I can't give it up. Anything just to feel the rush. This just ain't enough.
Okay, so now I have to test you. So I'm gonna give you the microphone.
Okay, let's
Before
go.
we start, if I didn't tell you that we modified this car, would you know?
It's kind of hard to tell, but I mean, you
Tell me
can.
what we have changed just to test you. Let me see.
I would say this part, the front bumper.
Front bumper.
Yeah.
Definitely. One.
Looks. How about the grill?
The grill. Yes,
Yep.
but do you know how the original one was like?
Maybe vertically.
Yes, no, it's like
Okay,
definitely.
okay.
Okay, that's a 2.
How about the light?
The
It looks.
headlight,
Yeah, it looks good.
That's a 3. I mean, like, I think somebody told you. Somebody told
And
you.
this right here, this looks new.
The twin engines, of course. Okay, what else?
It comes with the car, or it's new.
It's upgraded.
Oh, okay. How about the hood?
The hood, most definitely. It was upgraded. Okay, what else?
I think that's all about this part. Except there's something I'm not saying, so feel free to tell me.
Okay, what about the logo?
Oh yeah, that's missing. Where is it?
No, it's not yet complete, but then I think after everything is done, before we give the customer the car, they're going to take it.
Oh, okay, makes sense.
Okay, come
So what else?
I don't know, I'm the one asking you, you're not asking me.
This doesn't look new, but I mean, has it been changed?
The original car.
Oh, okay. How about this?
Okay, the wheel flare was actually upgraded. What else?
I would say this extension.
Okay,
right
this
there.
extension was there, but you're missing something else here.
What? This?
Definitely the fenders were upgraded.
Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. The scoot.
What else?
The handles, have they been touched?
No, they haven't been.
Okay, and this part too.
Of course, and then this fender also was upgraded. But come and take a look at the back.
I love the tail light. This looks
Definitely, it's eye-catching. Even for me, I was like, when I said this, was like, dude, I think I have to have my own X6.
cool. Yeah, because I think
Upgraded to an X6M.
the previous one just has from here down to this part,
and
but
it
this
was
one
not
is.
really nice. Doesn't have that sportiness in it.
And how about this? Did it come with the custom car already, or
No,
you
this
did
one was
something to
upgraded.
it?
It was upgraded.
Okay. Wow. Wait. I
But there is a
noticed.
point, before we go far, there's a point I think you're missing, or you also didn't notice, and I'm impressed because you didn't notice.
What is that?
Okay, so these fenders were actually cut. The
Which
original, the fenders part was
Okay.
actually cut so that it can look like an X6M. And for the trunk to actually sit, this also was upgraded so that it can match.
Really?
So you couldn't tell, right?
I think that's the most impressive thing I've seen today. It's quite seamless.
That's why I told you we outdid ourselves. And then what else?
And the double exhaust that came, or y'all had to modify that as well?
We had to modify.
Wow.
And the rear bumper. So that this all modifications that you're seeing here, I think it gives this car the sportiness in it.
That is amazing.
So that's why we upgraded it from an X6 to an X6M. And I hope I'm praying that the owner of this car is gonna be
I think
much
this
impressed.
is the most impressive
The
feature.
most impressive. So
Yeah.
this is the overall. look or the body kit?
Well, I'm gonna give it to you this time. Y'all did a good job. So it's pretty impressive. Trust me.
I'm proud of ourselves.
I'll probably just run away with the car.
No, you can't run away with this car, not possible.
I mean, it's a joke, but I'll try.
Yeah, so guys, this is the overall look of this car. You can let me know what you think in the comment section.
In the meantime, I'll see you. Let's go for a test drive.
You gotta go for a test drive. You just arrived, dude.
But wait. How is it that you...
What did you just notice? Okay, so
the exterior is well dealt with, but
Yeah.
what happens to the interior? Nothing has been done?
the owner of this car didn't want to change the interior.
Why?
They wanted to keep the original interior like this. But then we can't really, force customers.
It's not giving. I'll give you
No.
a 6.
Customer is the god. Whatever they want, we do, right? So he didn't want the interior to be changed. But if it was mine, like given the outlooks, the exterior, I'm definitely going for the interior because we outdid ourselves on the exterior. So definitely an interior won't be that much of a challenge.
All right. Exterior, I'll give you a 10. Interior, maybe a 5 or a 4.
Bro, you can't rate the interior based on us because that's not our work.
I know, but I'm just saying.
Okay guys, so we have the body kit of this X6 upgraded to an X6. If you want this body kit or this kind of modifications, you know what you can do. Comment in the comment section, leave a word, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.
Okay.
Say your goodbyes.
I'll see you next time.
Okay guys, bye bye.